What's up, folks? Got to do a quick little cell phone tool haul video here because I'm kind of antsy to put this stuff in my socket drawer, and once it goes in there, it's not coming back out again to do a video. So this is the only chance I got. Koken tool haul. They had a Memorial Day sale over the weekend. 25% off. I've been eyeing a couple things and wanting to check them out, but just haven't pulled the trigger. And when that happened, I was like, you know what? I can't not. So, needless to say, I put in 2 orders. I put in an order for the stuff that they had that I wanted that was in stock, and then I put in a separate order for the stuff that was there's like two things back ordered. Or pre-order even. So 1/4 inch Z-Series 72 tooth ratchet is still coming because it's on pre-order. And then there was a full set of nut grip 3/8 drive sockets that were on back order. That's coming soon too. So what I did was I've been eyeing these for a while. A double wobble. Who offers a double wobble and you don't own it? Like, that's just cool. I can't wait to see what stupid places I can put sockets in now with those. Then you'll see this here is a surface drive set. From what I read, these are supposed to be really good at rounded fasteners. I deal primarily with metric stuff. Jeeps, everything nowadays, Bronco, it's all metric now. So I got the 3/8 drive metric set. This set is 8 through 19, and I believe it's got a couple skips. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So maybe it doesn't have any skips. Maybe it was just that they offer a 7 and a 6 also, and that stops at 8. So they also have the bigger sizes, but I will probably do those in a 1/2 inch drive because I believe it's a 21, 22, 24, something like that. I can't remember exactly, but I figured why not, that this takes me all the way down to 6 mil. That looks pretty promising. I kind of want to strip bolt. No one really wants to strip bolt, but I kind of want to try. These 2 right here, nut grip sockets, that's the one. That's the set that's got a couple skips in it, and they offer the sockets though. So they were in stock. The set wasn't. So I went and picked up 18, 16, and I believe an 8. And the set that I have coming will mix with these, and that will make the whole set, I think it's 8 to 19 again. Then over here, I picked up a short, can't remember how long this is millimeter wise. It doesn't say there. It's a 3726Z. So I want to say it's like 178 millimeters or something like that. It's short. It's like just under 5 inches or something like that. No, I'm sorry. Just under 7 inches. So 3/8 drive, 72 tooth. I don't own any of their ratchets yet, and everyone swears by them. And honestly, that stupid little thing's expensive. Like, you're almost in Snapon territory with the price of these. So I was very hesitant to buy one. So when 25% off came up, I was like, all right, now's the time that I waste the money and try it. And if I don't like it, I don't like it. But right out of the box, for being 7 inches long, this thing is ungodly heavy. Like, this is a huge, I thought this grip was actually more cushion, but I really think it's primarily steel underneath it. So it's actually really rigid. Like, it's hard. And it has a nice flex head with a ball detent at straight. So it doesn't have positions other than clicked in at straight, and it flexes through the rest of it. But super smooth. Koken is, I believe, known for like the minimalist amount of drag or back drag on the ratchets. So can't wait to actually use that thing and see what all the hype is about. So, well, that's that. You can put it all away now, so, or make room for it. Catch you on the flip side.